Greetings and welcome to another video. It's Sunday, 18th of August 2024, and today I'm back at Dothill Local Nature Reserve. Now, when I was here yesterday, I had a really good time exploring around the nature reserve here in Dothill, but there was a couple of areas around here that I didn't explore yesterday. So that's the whole point of being here today. I want to have a walk around and make a couple of videos about the nature reserve, the parts of the nature reserve that I didn't visit yesterday. And on top of that, though, while I did upload 3 videos onto YouTube yesterday, I actually recorded 4. I completely forgot about uploading one of those videos from yesterday, so later on today, when I start uploading the videos that I'm making this afternoon, then that video from yesterday will also be in the mix. So yeah, good times. With that in mind, let's carry on, check out where we're starting from at the moment, and then follow the path to where we want to go. Let's carry on. So yeah, this is the lake or pool in Dothill Local Nature Reserve. We briefly saw part of it yesterday, but from a different angle from where I'm standing at the moment. And it's a really nice place. It's a really, really gorgeous and beautiful area here in Dothill. And if you have a look around behind me, to begin with, we're going to be following this little grey path up toward the main road. So with that in mind, let's carry on. So yeah, welcome to Dothill Local Nature Reserve. This is our starting point for this video today, and from here, where I want to go is just down to my left. As for this signpost we're looking at right now, I did do a video yesterday talking about this signpost, so if you want to learn more about the information we're looking at right now, then check out the video that I made talking about it. In the meantime, like I said, we want to head down the main road along this path in front of me to get to where we want to go. Let's carry on. So we've come down to the main road, to this path I'm looking at right now. Now, if you've seen the videos I made yesterday exploring Dothill Local Nature Reserve, you'll recognise this path I'm looking at, because this is part of the route that I explored yesterday. But we're not going this way. Instead, we're just coming over here. So what we're looking for is this signpost here, pointing us in various directions along the Silken Way. We've got Wellington, which is 1¼ miles away from where I'm standing at the moment. And then if we look to my right, you'll see Horton Wood, 3 miles away, and Telford Town Centre, 7 miles away. To get to either Horton Wood or Telford Town Centre, you follow the path along this direction. You go along this path I'm looking at right now. We're not going to follow this path because this takes us to where we explored yesterday. So we're not going to go this way because, yeah, if you want to see where I explored along this path in front of me, then check out the videos I made yesterday. It's really interesting and really enjoy doing that. So yeah. In the meantime, We're going in the direction toward Bratton, which is 1.5 miles away from where I'm standing at the moment. And yeah, we're going to go following the path down this way. That's the plan for today, so let's go. You got a little sign here, let's have a look at it. Telford and Wrekin Council, Dothill and Shorebirch Local Nature Reserve, part of our green network of more than 290 parks and green spaces. So yeah, nice one. This is where we want to go. Let's carry on. Now, as I said yesterday, I came along this path that I'm on right now. I came along this way to get to Bratton, which I really enjoyed getting to and exploring yesterday. And I think I mentioned it yesterday as well. This path is a really, really good path. It looks like an amazing place to explore. It's really peaceful. And yeah, easy access as well, which is an important thing. And it's also quite popular as well, as I found out yesterday. There are always people coming along here exploring. So yeah, I think it's a bit more peaceful now. I think because it's Sunday. But we'll see how things go. Nice one. Let's carry on. So as we can see to my left, things have opened up a bit. Big field going on here. And oh, okay, so I've just noticed something to my left here. Because yesterday we saw these signposts Oh, get that straight. So the signposts for the 50 tree trail. And here we've got the wild cherry. Bees welcome the early nectar of the frothy blossom, while birds and mice eat the cherries. The wood polishes up beautifully for furniture. So yeah, looks like a good type of wood to be making furniture out of. Nice one. We might be seeing more of those signposts along the way. I'm not sure. Got to pay attention all the same. I think there's another thing over there as well. Let's have a look at it. So this is a hawthorn, a pagan symbol of fertility and a popular hedging plant. Hawthorn supports a multitude of insects and birds, and the timber is used in carpentry and for veneers. So yeah, nice one. That's pretty decent. So yeah, that's a hawthorn. Nice. So from here, we're going to head on down this way. So back of a path, and like I said, we're heading down this way. And yeah, we've got a swan over there. Let's see if we can take a closer look to the swan without causing any mischief or anything like that. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. You all look beautiful today. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I'll leave you to your lunch. That's good. It's been a long time since I've seen a swan and its baby swans this close. So yeah, good times. Well, let's carry on, and I've just seen something to the right here. Let's have a look at that. Another one of these trees from the 50 tree trail. This one's a field maple. The flowers become wind dispersed winged fruits. The sap could be made into maple syrup, and the wood is popular for musical instruments. Nice one. And so as you can see, we've got a bit of a crossroads going on. As you see, the path goes off in front of me in that direction, but at the same time there's another path that goes off to my right here. I don't know where this particular path goes. I wouldn't be surprised if it eventually takes me back to where I started making this video. On the other hand, we've got this path here, like I just said. I don't know where this path goes either. I've never been this way before. I might come back to it later, we'll soon see. In the meantime though, I want to have a look at this path here. That's where we want to go. And if we look up to my left, you'll see this signpost. Horton Wood is 3 miles away, Telford Town Centre 7 miles away, and as you can see, to get to either Horton Wood or Telford Town Centre, you go back along the path we've just come from, basically. But we're not doing that today. Instead, well, Bratton, 1.25 miles to my right. I don't know if I'll get to Bratton today, but either way, that's in the direction. Well, we're heading off in this direction anyway. And as you can see here, a section of a Shropshire Way and the Telford T50 50-mile trail is along this path. So yeah, let's get along this way and see how it works out for us. So as you can see, we've come a little bit further along the path. So as you can see, we're a bit further along the path, and if we look to my left, we've got another lake here. It's really nice around here. Like I said in my previous videos yesterday, I've not been around here before. When I was here yesterday was, I think, the first time I've been to this part of Dothill. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I think coming along here a bit further, oh, we've got another signpost for the 50 tree trail. If you come further along the path, we'll get to where I was yesterday, in fact. Let's go and have a look at it. This is where I briefly stopped yesterday for one of my videos. And yeah, if we just, as you can see, got a nice little park bench to sit on. So yeah, as I was saying, this is where I stopped yesterday to make one of my videos. And as you can see up here, you've got Horton Wood and Telford Town Centre. Well, Horton Wood 3 miles to my left, Telford Town Centre 7 miles to my left. And from where I'm standing at the moment, you've got Bratton 1 mile away. So if I was to go, if from where I'm standing at the moment, I wanted to go to Bratton, then basically, as I found out yesterday, this is the path I want to explore to get to Bratton. And at the same time, if we have a look here, information about Three Bridge Way, an easy access circular route in the heart of the reserve. And you've got a map of where we are at right now. Now, if I understand correctly, if we were following the Three Bridge Way, then, well, like I said, going to Bratton is that way. But this path to my left, which I mentioned yesterday but didn't explore yesterday, this is where we want to go. And I think that's what I want to do today. So yeah, that's going to be good. So yeah, I think the best thing for me to do right now is to finish this video right here and then make a separate video, a part 2, exploring Dothill Nature Reserve. And in that second video I'm going to go off on this path I've just had a look at. But we'll get to that in the second video this afternoon, so yeah. In the meantime, thank you everyone for watching this video, I do appreciate it. I hope you're all having a good day. And yeah, take care of yourselves, be safe, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.